Bundles or pallets can be created several ways for items such as loose angles and other miscellaneous items in a project. There are two ways to create different types of bundles. The first way is a fixed bundle. I can select items from the staging list, right-click, and choose Add to a Fixed Bundle. Check Create New Bundle to create a new bundle specifying the shape, width, length, and height of the bundle. In this particular case, the weight will be calculated based on our selected items. Now, in my loading view, I have a bundle under the bundles list. When I set that to complete, it will be added to the staging list, and I can add to a trailer the same way I did any other deliverable to this point. The second way to add a bundle or create a bundle is to add items to the staging list. And in my loading view, I can add a bundle by clicking the Add Bundle button. Again, I can give that a name, and this time I will do a constructed bundle type. Allow resizing will allow my bundle to resize based on the shape of the items that I place on the bundle. I can add loadables to this bundle very similar to the way I do a trailer. When I finalize the bundle the way I see fit, I can again complete the bundle by right-clicking on it in the load list, which will again add the bundle to the staging list. I'll add it to any trailer I wish, the same way I do other loadables. The bundles will be included on the bill of lading, the load map, and any IFC exports that I create.